Good evening, friends. This is Dayanand Nene. We are meeting after a long time. I hope you are all doing well and collectively taking good care of your and your relatives' health. Friends, 2020 has been a horrible year, and thankfully it is coming to an end very soon. In life, there is a saying that the only thing permanent in life is change. परिवर्तन ही एक चीज अपने आयु में कायम होती है. परिवर्तन संसार का नियम है. और इस साल में हमारे लिए भी काफी परिवर्तन हमारे जिंदगी में आए हैं. मेरे लिए कहूं तो हमारी संस्था अलर्ट सिटीजन्स फोरम ऑफ इंडिया का नामकरण अब सतर्क नागरिक फाउंडेशन हो गया है. यह संस्था में जो परिवर्तन आया है, यह एक महत्वपूर्ण परिवर्तन है और हमारी संस्था अभी एनजीओ बदौलत मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कंपनी अफेयर्स गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के साथ रजिस्टर्ड है. दोस्तों, 2021 साल अभी चंद दिनों में आने वाला है और इस साल में भी हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में जो चीजें हमें अफेक्ट करती है, ऐसी 10 अहम चीजों में भी परिवर्तन या बदलाव आने वाला है. और आज हम वही 10 चीजों के बारे में जानकारी लेने वाले हैं. जो 10 चीजें हैं उसमें एलपीजी गैस, लैंडलाइन टू मोबाइल कम्युनिकेशन, चेक पेमेंट्स, क्रेडिट कार्ड्स, ऐसे विभिन्न विषय उनके अंतर्गत लिए गए हैं. सबसे पहली चीज है चेक पेमेंट्स के बारे में. द फर्स्ट change which is going to come with effect from 1st January is regarding check payments. Banks are now introducing a positive pay system from 1st January to safeguard the depositors and investors. Under this system, every person will have to reconfirm key details of all payments above rupees 50,000 he is going to make. This is a very important change for the better going to happen from 1st of January. The second change is regarding the contactless card payments which we make through our debit or credit cards, and here the payment limit has been increased from rupees 2,000 to rupees 5,000. The third most important thing which is going to affect us from 1st of January is that the car prices of four-wheelers are going to increase. Maruti, Mahindra, Hyundai and other car manufacturers are going to increase their prices from 1st of January. Just see this, a quick recap, and I'll be back right now. Welcome back, friends. The fourth important change which is going to happen from 1st of January is that our very good friend in our day-to-day life, the WhatsApp app, it is going to stop functioning on certain kinds of mobile phone. And from 1st of January, the WhatsApp will run or function only on Android operating systems 4.0.3 or newer systems. On iPhone operating systems, it will be operative on the 9th or the newer phone families, and it will operate on any JioPhone or any JioPhone Model 2. All other WhatsApp applications on phones other than these mentioned, WhatsApp will not be operating on those phones. Then the fifth important change which is going to come in is when you are going to dial from a landline number to a mobile number, you will have to dial 0 first. You will have to prefix your mobile number with a 0. That's the important change which is happening. The sixth most important change is that FASTag has been made mandatory and compulsory on all cars, and whenever you pass the toll naka, you will save time because of this WhatsApp app, because of this FASTag app, and if your car doesn't have a FASTag app after 1st of January, then on the toll nakas you will have to pay double the toll. That's a very, very important change which everybody should take note of. Then the seventh important change is regarding UPI payments. For all transactions made through UPI gateways such as Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, the users will now have to pay an additional charge per transaction. That is going to tax the users, but that's it. That's an important change which is going to happen from the 1st of January. The Google Pay web app will stop functioning from the 1st of January 2021, and the users will have to pay an additional fee for making instant money transfers from this particular app. That is going to hit many people, but well, that's it. That's a change which is going to happen. Friends, LPG cylinder prices are now going to be reviewed and revised at the beginning of every month because they are going to be linked with the crude oil prices prevailing worldwide. And lastly, but importantly, all GST registered small businesses with a turnover of up to 5 crores will now have to file only 4 GST returns, the GSTR 38 returns, instead of the 8 which they are filing right now. This very positive change is going to impact 92% of the entire GST payers base. So friends, these are the important 10 changes which are going to happen in our life from 1st of January. As I said, 2021 is beckoning us. It is hardly a week away. Let's all pray and hope that 2021 will bring us peace, prosperity and a COVID-free life, and everyone will augur well in their lives, and the sad memories of 2021 and COVID will be washed away in the new year. Happy New Year, friends. Thank you.